Check, it's 12:21. Ayan. So we are preparing to run an ads for Kamaya Host. Ayan, as you can see, there are a lot of creatives kasi this is based from Meta Andromeda. And as you can see, mga video ads yan. So we have 8 video ad creatives na sinet up dyan. As you can see here at the right side. Then may isang image ad. So I'm planning to create siguro mga additional 10 creatives pa sa mga image ads. And of course, we're planning to add din siguro mga carousel ads kasi medyo effective na din siya to gain more followers. So you can see these are all the campaigns. So by the way, we run yung sales campaign and CBO tayo. That means campaign budget optimization. So meaning to say, si Meta na bahala magde-decide if magkano yung isi-spend niya onto that campaign level. And if medyo advanced ka na sa pagraran ng ads, baka may strategy ka dyan na you can comment down in the comment section.